Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So looks like I missed a little bit of a rally here. Anyway, so let's just get into it. We're back at 4,000, which is our key level, and I think you might as well just draw that channel in because that's exactly where we are now. So any break out of the channel should be treated with a little bit of misbelief, because I don't believe that it will do anything. And then you can see we are also top of a trend line at the moment. So 4,000 is the key area that we're in at the moment. That's what we need to be paying attention to. Question is, have we broken it? You can see we had a bit of a rejection on the 3 hour. When was this? This was the day before yesterday. It looked like it was forming a top, and then we've got above it again. So looks like the banking crisis is not that serious anymore. Now we need to get some levels in here, and I would argue that the high of last week is one of the key areas you need to pay attention to. That's 39.77, and then obviously 4,000 is as well. So moving on to the hour, we do have a bit of diversions forming here. That's not positive diversions, and we do have some overhead resistance from multiple areas here. So 4,000 is obviously the place to watch at the moment, but then we're looking at this from a deeper perspective, 39.77. So could very well be just a move consolidation waiting for a break here. This could very well be what is going to happen. Now, looking at the 15 minutes, you can see we've got a couple of gaps here. So what I would do is get this level in as well, and that is 39.90. So what we're looking for is we're looking for some support around 4,000, 39.90, or even as far back as 39.77. Something just tells me that's not what's going to happen. What you actually should be looking for is a break and retest of this area here. So you'd be looking for a break of 4,009, a retest, and then your measured move for that is going to be something along the lines of this. Get that in there. So that should take you to 4,030. I wouldn't be holding on to too many trades if it does break, because we do have a bit of a channel here. So the last thing to point out here is this here at 39.77 is the neckline of a double bottom. So there is a double bottom inside the channel. So what you'd be looking for is a bigger move. Just use a block for this one. You could even argue triple bottom. I'm just going to go on the double bottom. You're looking at something like that. Just bear in mind on the 8 hour here, you can see we're still very much in a downward trend. So take it with a pinch of salt, but I think that's kind of what we're aiming for, is 4,031. And if you look at what happened yesterday as well, you can see we deviated quite far from the moving averages. Not much structure that came into play, but then late in the session we got the break above the moving averages, and you can see there's the structure, which was the lows of the day, and we came down here with an inside bar. So that wasn't yesterday, day before yesterday, and then yesterday was just a continuation. So kind of what happened, you sort of hovered sideways and then broke the upside. So I think you're going to have more of the same today. Targeting 4,031. That's kind of my view for today. Stop is below the structure, so hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.